Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 24th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Westlake Chemical Partners. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Westlake Chemical Partners has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their consistent distributions to their strategic decisions impacting cash flow.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Westlake Chemical Partners reported total net sales of $290.1 million for the fourth quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the net sales saw a slight decrease from $297.3 million in the same quarter last year, the company maintained a stable net income of $15 million. For the full year, net income increased to $62.4 million, up from $54.3 million in 2023, thanks to higher third-party ethylene sales prices and margins.
And what about their cash flow from operations?
Cash flows from operating activities in Q4 2024 were $132.5 million, a significant increase from $107.7 million in Q4 2023. This was primarily due to higher net income and favorable working capital changes.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 36 cents for Westlake Chemical Partners. How did the actual results compare?
The actual EPS came in at 43 cents, surpassing the forecast. This beat expectations, albeit with only one analyst providing the forecast. It reflects the company's ability to manage costs and optimize their sales strategy effectively.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Westlake Chemical Partners declared a quarterly distribution of $0.4714 per unit, marking their 42nd consecutive distribution. What does this say about their operational efficiency?
This consistent distribution underscores their stable cash flow and operational efficiency. By deferring the Petro turnaround to 2025, they capitalized on favorable ethylene prices, which supported their cash flow and coverage ratio.
Looking ahead, what should investors expect?
CEO Jean-Marc Gilson mentioned that the planned maintenance turnaround at Petro could temporarily dip the coverage ratio below 1.0x in 2025. However, they expect to have ample cash to fund distributions, and improved ethylene prices should bolster cash flows once production normalizes.
Key takeaways. In summary, Westlake Chemical Partners delivered a solid performance in 2024 with increased net income and cash flow from operations. Their strategic decisions have positioned them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Westlake's ability to exceed EPS expectations and maintain consistent distributions highlights their operational strength. Investors should keep an eye on the upcoming turnaround and its impact on short-term cash flows, but the long-term outlook remains positive.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Westlake Chemical Partners' performance in the comments below.